Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today friend I'm going to show you how to divide in Excel sheet. So friend, this is very important tutorial and here you will learn something new. So friend, first of all we are going to open Excel sheet. Okay, so what we will do, simply find Excel. So this application will open and here we are going to create new blank workbook, right? And friend, what we will do here, we want to divide something. Okay, for example, right now I have $100. This is amount and this is person, and here we want to divide. Okay, so $100 I want to divide into 5%. Okay, so how we can do that? Here you can simply type equal to, then type sum, and then select the amount. Okay, then divided by the person. You simply divide and here select the person you want to divide them, and whenever you press enter, then you will see this $100 divide with 5%, that will be $20 per person. So friend, this way you can easily divide any amount, and here we are going to randomly type something. And if you want to repeat this formula, you can simply press here with your mouse and drag it. So this formula will automatically apply on that part. So you can easily divide any amount by this formula. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can divide in Excel. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below. So I will give you the answer. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.